Hi you guys. We are in Target virtually. Why are you looking so unbothered? And we are, show them the fit, show them the fit, show them the fit. They can't hear nothing you saying, period, period. Give them a back shot, period. Okay you guys, so we are in Target. My lens is so dirty. Alright, we're in Target and I'm looking for some like Valentine's Day stuff, and for the galentines we're doing bags for each other, and it's like a $20 maximum. It's kind of like a white elephant thing, and so yeah, the budget is $60, and so I'm in Target's $5 section, $5 section, and I'm gonna see if they have some stuff that I can put inside of the bags. There is all these like cute little Valentine's books. Those are really cheesy. I probably will not be buying that. And these are cute, but it's giving like cheap. What's inside? Oh, nothing. But I know they have like a better section, so let's just go see what else they have. That's cute. But I want to get this. Can you hear me right now? I can't even say it because I love it. I'm at home now. Hi, me and Asher, we're playing. And then I'm doing this training for my husband. And then I'm making dinner, plus getting my meal prep together. And then I think I'm gonna change this out because clearly we're not in Christmas anymore and Valentine's, and I want to put something for Valentine's Day. And then I need to add an extra layer of clear to my nails because they're super thin. I don't know if you can see that, but they're like super thin. So that's what's going on this afternoon. So I told you guys in my last vlog that I started with a personal trainer, and one of the snacks I'm supposed to have in between my meals is a scoop of protein and a banana, and that means a smoothie to me. Like, that means a smoothie. So I just did not get the chance to like make the smoothie, and plus I feel like a smoothie you're supposed to make it and eat it right there, drink it right there or whatever, but I'm gonna have to improvise because I'm gonna be at work. So I'm gonna have to like make them and freeze them. So I made this smoothie tonight to eat with my dinner because I skipped that smoothie today at work. So I made this one and I'm gonna take it to work with me tomorrow. So after I eat my lunch and I get hungry in between, like maybe I can like eat it on my way home so that I won't be like starving by 6:30 for dinner. So this one is like a tropical one and it's green because I put my greens and collagen powder in it. And then this one also has the greens and collagen powder, but this one's like mixed berry, and the berries, obviously the berry overpowers the greens. So that's my my scoop of protein powder and banana smoothie. And also I'm trying to get more protein in so that I'm not going to be hungry when it's time to go to sleep. So that's that. Yeah.
Where you heard that, bro?
Money bag.
Put in a lot of work, and I've been doing a lot of things. You disrespect me like that, the fuck? You know, I'm living basically for you. And then when I finally
Back. Girl.
Back. I need to make me one of them honey teas with the lemon lime.
You need it right now?
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, make that.
She didn't tell you to tell me shit.
I'm telling you, yes, she did.
She didn't tell you to tell me shit.
Okay.
It's not your fault.
Can you make it, please?
I handled that completely wrong.
Huh?
I'm ashamed of that.
What I'm gonna say, no?
Of how I handled it.
I say no lip, no bartender.
Mm.
You get angry like that, like
Shit.
you literally go from like 0 to 100 and you do not give a
Real quick.
Actually, get your baby Godzilla looking ass on, man.
Why you always talking about him?
Shit.
It doesn't go.
Nigga look at big ass back, little head.
And I'm in this.
That's why you coughing now.
Oh shit.
And make me deal with it.
Nigga don't even look like he that big.
In sales in the last like 2 years.
What is perfect kind of things?
An accident.